Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Let's continue to the same program. Okay, so in this session, in the previous section, we have seen the frame, JLabel, text field. In this session, I will explain you the JPassword field and the text area. I just use the same program. I will add these two controls into the same JPassword field input with hidden characters, right? And JTextArea basically for address multi-line of text input, right? So this is very simple. We have seen this program here. Let us add here J password field. I just say here password, right? And J text area, J text area, TA. Okay, and here semicolon. Create two objects. For these objects, password, control V. I just set the layout at the beginning. Let's move to this beginning, right? So this is the layout is there. So this order doesn't matter, right? The order it doesn't matter. Password equal to new JPasswordField password and TA equal to JTextArea. Now here you need to provide the simply here you can say here this is default, but you need to provide number of rows and columns. For example here 5 rows 5 columns something, right? Just keep this 5 rows 5 columns, some size rows and columns. Okay, so this is things. Now we need to add these values here, right? So after button, before button, wherever you want to add. Okay, so let me add the name text and I can say here add what is this password, right? Password. Again after password I want to add text area TA. Very simple here. Create the instance variable. Sorry, here. Create the instance variable. Sorry. Create the instance variable. Again, instantiate the variable. Doesn't matter order. Set the layout. Set the layout to flow layout, border layout, grid layout. We'll see this more layout. At this moment, let's set layout and add to the container. Now, adding to the container must be in properly the way you want to see the output. Okay, like the what is the requirement. So this one you can create any order. You can write this line, another line. I mean, like swap, doesn't matter here. Adding to the container is important here. How do you add the container? What arrangement you will add it? It will display. It will arrange in the container in the same order, right? So now let's run the program. So I created the password and text area password and added to this one before the button, right? So it will come before. Now first it will appear a label, then text field, another password field, and text area and button area. Let's run the program. You see here. When you see this text, when you see here, just make it large. You see, but you see here, you cannot see the length. You need to provide the password for this. You need to provide. So this is like example here. Let me change the length of this one. Password field is like example 20, just 15, right? Now run the file again. Now look carefully, right? This is a label. This is a text area. This is Feroz Muhammad. Now my password I can type, but it is hidden. All the characters are hidden, and this is the text area. I can say here Jebel Industrial. It will expand college, and this button. Hope you added it. But look, see, this looks very. No, this is not fully. There's no labels. So what does it, this field represent? What this field represent? This you need a label for each one. You need label. Now, if, for example, this is a text area. You know this is a name, right? This is name. What about this one? You need another text label. You need another label for this. So let me add to make the program completely, right? So you need two more label. So I just create here label, name label. This is password label LBL, and address. I can say text area label LBL, whatever the name you can give, doesn't matter, right? So we need three labels. I already created one label. We just create one more label here. To now, example, you just want to make sure this label is after the before the before the text field. See arrangement before this field. This is not necessary, but I just want to make sure grouping. Okay, this button should be last, right? So I will keep it here. And another label here is there, right? This is a label for what? Password. Control C, Control V. This is some grouping label and text field, password label and password field. Again, I'm grouping text area. Let me create one more here, right? So just copy this part label. This is for what? This is label for address. I can go more. You can just go with 10 into 3, little bit, right? So I have this one. This one need to change. What is the name here? Table label. So I have label. This is it's not necessary in the order, right? But just I want to make it easy for me to pick. Okay, this name label, name text, password label, password field, table text area label, and text area, right? And the button and the button. Then we added these things already here. Okay, so we need what is missing. First name label, text label. Now password label. We need to add password label. Add password label. Then add a password class. Then we need to add text area label, right? Text area label. So we added this. Order is important. I'm making this order and this order in the same way, so that easy for me to maintain the code, easy to understand, identify, debug any problem. Now let's run the file. You see here the flow layout. You see it goes from left to right, left, 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 left. When you make it shrink it, it will go to the next line. Okay, so this is one thing. Okay, so this is a name. So let me make it more beautiful, this part. This is 2 and this is 10. Okay, maybe 3 or maybe 5 here. Run the file. Looks beautiful. Okay, little bit. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is a name. My name is Feroz and password is something secret, hidden, and the Jubail. Jubail, JIC, Jalmuda. I am from Jalmuda. Right, something. Click. So this is your simple program. You demonstrate the labels, buttons, password field, text area, and the frame, everything. Okay, hopes it is very clear and understand. And in the form of flow layout, we change the flow layout. We'll do this. Okay, you can repeat this part. You can try this code. Okay, so close this, close this.